In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your PayPal invoice has been viewed. If you use PayPal for business, it's important to keep track of your invoices so you can see where each one stands. One of the quickest ways to do that is by checking the invoice status directly inside your PayPal account. This can help you understand whether a customer has opened the invoice, whether it's still pending, or whether you may need to follow up. To get started, sign in to your PayPal business account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look for the Business Tools section. This is where PayPal groups together features that help you manage payments, sales activity, and customer billing. Click on Business Tools to continue. From there, select Invoicing. This will take you to the area where all of your invoices are organized in one place. On this page, you'll see a list of the invoices you've created, along with their current status. This is the key section to pay attention to, because the status gives you a quick snapshot of what is happening with each invoice. Take a moment to review the list and find the invoice you want to check. Depending on your account activity, you may see several invoices, so it helps to look for the correct invoice number or the related customer entry if needed. Next to each invoice, PayPal shows status information that can help you understand whether the invoice has been sent, viewed, paid, or is still awaiting action. If you want more detailed information, click on the invoice number. This will open the Invoice Details page where you can see more about that specific invoice. This is the best place to confirm whether the invoice has been viewed and to review any additional activity tied to it. And that's really all there is to it. The process is very simple once you know where to look. Just go to your PayPal business account, open Business Tools, click Invoicing, review the invoice list and status, and then open the invoice number for more details. A quick tip before you go: if you regularly send invoices, checking this section often can help you stay organized and know when it may be time to send a reminder. Keeping an eye on invoice activity can make your follow-up process smoother and more efficient. That's it for this tutorial.